Reincarnation is the philosophical or religious concept that the soul after death can begin new life in a new body. In one case, KH, a boy from Myanmar, was noted to have a birthmark on his left arm in the same place where his grandfather's body has been marked. His grandfather had died 11 months before KH's birth.
Hi, Kuya!
Fibs,
Ano yan? 10 claims of physical evidence for reincarnation? Eh, bakit naman nagbabasa ka ng tungkol sa reincarnation, Kuya?
wala lang. Out of curiosity lang, Fibs.
Alam mo, Kuya, sabi ng classmate ko, totoo yung reincarnation eh. Kasi lahat daw tayo from reincarnated souls. Tingin mo totoo yun, Kuya?
Uy, Tol. Kanina pa tumatawag si Celeste. Di mo ba sasagutin yan?
Busy ako sa convention, Tol.
Convention ba talaga? O si Des? Ano yan? Wow, reincarnation. Mukhang sineseryoso mo yung mga sinasabi ko sa'yo, Tol, ah.
Eh bakit naman hindi, Tol? Marami akong natututunan tungkol sa reincarnation. Diba? Tsaka mas lumalaki yung posibilidad na baka ganito ngayon nangyayari sa amin ni Des.
Ayos. Sabi ko sa'yo naman, di ba?